𝗟𝗴𝘂 Laguna DHA City Karachi has reached significant construction milestones, which are covered in this December 2022 updated video. After excavation and lean of residential tower, shuttering and steel fixing is in progress. Simultaneously, concreting is underway. Excavation of other residential tower has started in full swing. Development of the first ever lagoon in Pakistan has also started with rapid pace. Contracts for other residential towers in Phase 1 of 𝗟𝗴𝘂 Laguna have also been awarded for further development.